All right, we're here in the Rabaconda booth real quick, taking a look at what's new and exciting for 2026. Now last year it was this balancer right here that can be mounted on the floor or can be mounted on the wall. Super convenient, super easy, and it packs down into this nice little carrying pack right here. So you have your nice compact tire changer and balancer all in one. This little mini guy was also announced last year and has done quite well for them. But brand new this year as a prototype, looking for feedback, is this guy right here. This is going to be a pneumatic bead breaker. So if you don't want to break the beads manually, you can use the pneumatic bead breaker here. So that's coming out here in the future. But what is brand new this year is an adapter that allows you to change your car or truck tires or your UTV tires at home. So this is the street tire changer right here with an adapter that's going to allow you to do 12-inch to 21-inch wheels up to a 35-inch tire. So if you don't want to take your tires to the shop to get them swapped out, this is going to be a great addition to your street tire changer that you use for your motorcycle that's going to allow you to be able to change car, truck, and UTV tires as well. And there's a quick walkthrough of the Rabaconda booth here at AIM Expo 2026. If you have any questions about Rabaconda products, please leave a comment down below and I'll reach out to them and get those answers for you. I'm Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.